Hi everyone in Hawaii, Ohio State, UNT, ASU, and Gonzaga. It's Miss V, and this week we're doing lessons 36 through 40. Let's start with some sounds. First sound, ah. Your turn. What sound? Yes, ah. Next sound, oh. Your turn. What sound? Yes, oh. Next sound, E. Your turn. What sound? Yes, E. Next sound. Ooh. Your turn. What sound? Yes, woo. Next sound. Coo. Your turn. What sound? Yes, coo. Awesome job. Next sound. D. Your turn. What sound? Yes, D. Next sound. Shh. Your turn. What sound? Yes, shh. Next sound. B. Your turn. What sound? Yes, B. Next sound. R. Your turn. What sound? Yes, R. Next sound. K. Your turn. What sound? Yes, K. Next sound. Ooh. Your turn. What sound? Yes, ooh. Next sound. Your turn. What sound? Yes. Next sound. Your turn. What sound? Yes. Next sound. G. Your turn. What sound? Yes. G. Next sound. J. Your turn. What sound? Yes. J. Awesome job saying all the sounds. Now it's time to shine. When I move under a sound, you say it. First sound. What sound? Yes. R. Next sound. What sound? Yes. Shh. Next sound. What sound? Yes. E. Awesome job saying all the tricky sounds. Now let's practice our words from our word wall. When these letters are together, they usually say all. What sound do these two letters usually make? Get ready. Yes, all. When these letters are together, they usually say R. What sound do these letters usually make? Get ready. Yes, R. Your turn to read all these words the fast way. First word. What word? Yes, tall. Next word. What word? Yes, stall. Next word. Remember, stall. That is right here where they keep the horses. This is a horse stall. Next word. What word? Yes, salt. Next word. What word? Yes, called. Next word. What word? Yes, should. Awesome job. Now let's sound out these words. Remember to be moving your mouth just like me. Watch me sound out this word. Your turn. Sound it out. Get ready. Yes, now let's sound it out together. Get ready. Much. What word? Yes, much. I ate so much food. Much. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Cried. By yourself, sound it out. Get ready. What word? Yes, cried. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Together. Sound it out. Get ready. Even. What word? Yes, even. I'll tell you these words. First word, would. What word? Yes, would. Would you like a pizza or a burger? Would. Next word, your. What word? Yes, your. You're doing so good practicing these words. Your. Read this part of the word the fast way. Read this part of the word the fast way. Get ready. Yes, can. Now tell me what the whole word says. Get ready. Yes, cannot. Read this part of the word the fast way. Get ready. Yes, in. Now tell me what the whole word says. Get ready. Yes, inside. Tell me what this part of the word says. Get ready. Yes, an. Now tell me what the whole word says. Get ready. Yes, another. Awesome job practicing your sounds and your word wall.